Afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, speed test July. We have here in today's newspaper on Friday, July the 7th, 2023, the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test with the light Sudoku and with the heavy Sudoku. But in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, and last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening, tonight. Only half of them I will solve. Well, why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I will need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one is a Sudoku Light speed test without comments or instructions. Oh, apologies. Come on. Okay. The first one is the Light Sudoku, and this will be number. Come on. Yeah, need to zoom this out. Come on. 6713. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 34. Should be an easy one. Because the easiest one in the additional is a 1-star puzzle. 1-star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started without comments, without instructions. Speed test already 2 minutes past. Okay, 111. Okay, two. Only twos. Okay, sevens. Need 7 here. 7 there. 7. Need the 7 there. Okay. 5. Come on, 5. What is and the 9. 9. Come on, 4. Need a 9. No, need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. 3 there. 6 and 8. 8. Come on. Need a 6 here. 2, 4. 8. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4 and 8. 2, need a 2 here. This should be the 2. Here should be the 2. Okay. 2. Come on. The 4 here. 4. The 4 here. Yeah. 1. Need a 1 here. I need a 1. Need a 3 here. double check. Here, 3, 3. This should be the 3. 2 and 6. Need a 2 here. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6 and 8. Come on, come on. 5, 9. 5 and a 2. 2. 5. 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3 and 4. 4 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5. 5. Need a 5 there. 8 and a 6. 6. 1 and 8. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 8 and the 2. 8 and 9. 9. Need a 9 here. 4 and a 8. 4 and a 8. 4 and a 8. So here should be 9 and the 3. 4, 8 and the 2. Need a 2 here. 4 and 8. Nope. 8 and 1. Yeah, 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have 8. We have here 4, 4, 4, 1 and 8. Here should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. Wow. Here should be the 9, the 1 and the. Come on, 1 and the 8. 1 and 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 2. 1, 2, 3. This should be the 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 4. 4, 4. 4 and the 2. 2, 2, 2. 1 and 8. This should be the 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 1. And this should be the 8 in 9 minutes. 9 minutes minus 2, 7 minutes. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, Sudoku Light. See you in a minute with the other heavy Sudoku, also a speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.